In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can copy multiple text and paste it at a time in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word document as an example for you, okay? So here, if we are going to copy this first paragraph, on the second paragraph, the third paragraph, how can we do it at a time, okay? One at a time. Or at a time, paste it at a time. So you will notice here in the file tab, I mean like in the home tab, you will find this clipboard, okay? So click on this arrow, see all the items you've copied to the clipboard, okay? So earlier I have copied this first paragraph. So how did I do that? So in order to paste what we have copied at a time, we just need to simply choose the paragraph and then Control C on keyboard. And as you can see, it will be right here on the clipboard. Also for the second paragraph, select that and then Control C and it will automatically be on the clipboard. Third paragraph, Control C and it will automatically be on the clipboard. Fourth paragraph, Control C and then it will automatically be on the clipboard. Or you can instantly copy first and second paragraph like that. Now if we're going to open another Word document, okay, like that, you'll find this one. So you can just simply paste it. You have here paste all, and that's it. Okay, that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.